morning to all of you. Today we are going to start a new subject, management accounting. For the SY BCom semester 3, the University of Mumbai has prescribed this subject, that is management accounting, for the both semesters. In the third semester, we are studying this management accounting. There are 5-6 topics or modules, but in the next semester number 4, we are studying the auditing. So for a 6 months period of time, first semester, that is semester number 3, the management accounting subject is there, and for the fourth semester, auditing subject is there. Introduction of auditing is there. So both the subjects are new for you, but from the primary 11th and 12th standard, when you are taking the admission for the commerce faculty from 11th and 12th standard, you are studying bookkeeping and accountancy. And in the bookkeeping and accountancy, the matters which are studied by you, the concepts which are studied by you, that are what is transaction, what is journal entries, what are the ledger accounts, what is the trial balance, what are the financial statements, and so on. So in the bookkeeping and accountancy, as well as in the last year, in the accountancy and financial management, you have studied the various types of topics which are relevant to the financial accounting. So this year, you are studying the new subject, management accounting. Now management accounting is one of the branch of accountancy, financial accountancy. It is one of the process further the financial accounting. So when you have maintained the books of accounts, prepare the financial statements, have the reporting, after that the management start his work. So when the financial accounting ends, the work of management accounting starts. The management accounting is the further process. It is the next process of the accounting, wherein whatever may be financial statements or the results are shown by the particular accounting, that can be analyzed, that can be interpreted, that can be again discussed in the finance, that is management accounting. So management accounting is the next process. After the completion of financial accounts and their results, the management accounting can make the focus on analysis, interpretation, and many other things which can be benefited for the management. So taking management decision and helping to the management for making the decision is one of the most important aspect of the management accounting. So management accounting is to be helpful to the management, and that's why we can make a simple definition. कडू निवांत एका जागेला बस. एका जागेवर बस, नाहीतर कॅमेरा बंद कर. एका जागेवर बस, नाहीतर कॅमेरा बंद कर. So management accounting is one of the accounting which can helps to the management. प्रत्येकाने वह्या काढा आणि मी जे काय म्हणतोय ते लिहून काढावं. तुमच्या घरात तिथं आसपास फिरत बसू नका. लेक्चर हे लेक्चर झालं पाहिजे. त्याचं उगाच काहीतरी मजा करायची म्हणून असलं काही करायचं नाही. वह्या पुस्तक म्हणजे तुमच्याकडे वही पेन घेऊन तुम्ही बसलं पाहिजे. नुसतंच ऐकायचं आणि उठून जायचं असं नाही. मी जे काय सांगतोय ते सगळं लिहून काढायचं. थोडक्यात तुम्हाला जे जे शब्द जे महत्वाचे वाटतात ते लिहून काढायचे. The management accounting is the accounting which can help to the management for decision making. So very simple definition. Very simple, we can say meaning of the management accounting is that which accounting can help to the management for making decision, that is known as management accounting. So when the financial accounting complete his work, what is the profit, what is the financial position, what are the different things which are to be shown by the financial accounting, that can be again processed in the management accounting. So process making by analyzing the statements, by interpreting the things, then by making all the things very effective manner, measurement of the things, that is to be done in the management accounting. So financial accounting only shows the profit or the financial position of the company. As you have know that trading account shows the gross profit, profit and loss account shows the net profit, profit and loss appropriation account shows the net earning, and the balance sheet can shows the financial position of the company. So if all these things are done in the financial accounting, after that, whatever may be the gross profit, whatever may be the net profit, whatever may be the net earning, or whatever may be the financial position of the company, that can be analyzed by the management accounting. So management accounting is a advanced process that always think that what is the gross profit, why this gross profit is so and so. So many questions, many, we can say, issues are to be raised in the management accounting. We can say that if the trading account shows the gross profit of rupees 1,50,000, the management accounting always asks that why this 1,50,000, why not 2 lakhs or more than that. So asking doubts or whatever the picture is shown in the financial accounting, that can be again discussed by the management accounting. So if the profit and loss account shows the net profit, or sometimes the net loss is there, then the management accounting is always thinking that if the net profit is rupees 1 lakh or something, then management accounting thinks that why this is the only 1 lakh rupees and why not more than that. So such types of things are to be explained, measured, some remedial actions, some suggestions that are to be given by the management. If 1 lakh rupees is your net profit, then management accounting says that it is not enough, it is not that much proper. So all the things are to be there in the management accounting at why the picture is showing like that, why the profit is like that, why it is not more than that. So such types of questions or such types of things are to be analyzed in the cost accounting. So everywhere, if the financial position is to be shown, then the management accounting can consider that position is better or not, whether we can improve it or not. So all the other things are to be completed or done by the management accounting. And that is why management accounting is the next process. After 12th, you are taking admission to the 11th. And after 11th, you are come in the class of 12th. And after 12th, you are taken admission for FY. After FY, you are now at SY. So one by one, you are completed your class syllabus, and then you are become at SY level. Like that, After the bookkeeping, after the accounting, and after the financial accounting, now the stage comes to the what is a management accounting. So management accounting is another step, wide step, in which nothing can be done by the management accounting. It cannot prepare the financial statement. It cannot make any records or maintain the records. But what is to be shown by the financial accounting, everything can be discussed, analyzed, interpreted, and some suggestions, some remedies are to be given by the management accounting. So it is the advanced technique of accounting. So the definitions which are to be made by the different peoples or different authors about the management accounting is that the National Association of USA, अमेरिकेचा नॅशनल असोसिएशन आहे, यांनी मॅनेजमेंटची व्याख्या केलेली आहे. मॅनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ आयडेंटिफिकेशन, analysis, measurement, interpretation, and how the financial statements are prepared that are to be analyzed in a proper way. So everything is done by the management accounting. Now at a 12th level you are studied the what is the management of business. ऑर्गनायझेशन ऑफ कॉमर्स मध्ये तुम्ही हे व्यवसायाचे अनेक प्रकार बघितले असतील. सोल ट्रेडर, पार्टनरशिप फर्म, cooperative societies. So all the businesses are to be managed by the managerial people. If the sole trader is a single person, he can manage all the activities. Business is to be run, management is to be done, marketing is to be done. Every activities are done by one and only one person. After that, partnership verb, in the partnership 2 or 3 persons are coming together and they can manage the business. So what is mean by manage? Manage means to operate the business very properly by giving the authorities, by appointing the peoples, and by evaluating the performance. So all the things are to be done in the management accounting. The another definition which is made by the Chartered Institute of Management, that management accounting is an integral part of management concern. What are the integral parts? That is, the analysis is there, interpretation is there, evaluation is there, reporting is there, some suggestions are to be given. So one by one, after one step, another step is to be done, and controlling the activities and helps for the decision making is known as management accounting. So what management can do? Management can take the decision. Management can frame the policies. So decision making is important function of the management, as well as what is your business policies, what the area or we can say nature of your business, that is to be determined by the management itself. So management and the other peoples, those who are very expert, those who are very knowledgeable in the field of management, they can always advise, give good instructions, suggestions to the businessman that if you are doing your business like this, then there is always success in your business. And if you do not, then there may be various problems which can be faced by you. So management is one of the professions. All the business organizations have their own managers. In the big business organization, there is a sales manager, there is a purchase manager, there is a finance manager, there is a production manager, there is a stores manager. So all the managerial people can look after the different types of activities which are to be combinedly completed by the business. So every or each manager is responsible for that particular department success. Purchase department manager, he can look after the how the orders are to be placed, how the quotations are to be done, how the suppliers are to be fixed. So everything can be completed by the purchase manager. Then sales manager, he can find the customers, he can find the markets, he can always think about the different markets, searching the markets, making surveys, whose are the customers or the consumers. So all the study is to be done by the sales manager. In the finance manager can look after whatever may be the capital is required, what is the expenditures and incomes of the business. So all the things are to be completed by the finance manager. Then stores manager, whatever may be the production which is taken by the business, that is not sold in the market one at a time. That's why it is to be stored in the godown, it is to be stored in the warehouse, and then that particular supply is to be made by the particular business. So stores manager, so all the persons which are manage the business as per the need of the organization. One person is not doing all the activities. In the big business concerns, various persons are appointed separately to look after the matters related to that department. In the college, you are knowing that we are having the commerce department, and commerce department activities are to be controlled by commerce department. So when the what are the subjects, what is the timetable, what are the other things which are to be completed, as like this management can do all the activities. In the college there is also history department, Marathi department, economics department, political science department, chemistry department, other departments. Like that, for well functioning, all the departments are doing their work as per the procedures or in a systematic manner. So management accounting is the accounting which can make the things very easy. Proper planning is there, proper policies are framed, some persons are appointed, that is staffing is done, training is also given. So managerial persons are not born, they are to be made. आपण जे काही शिकतो त्याच्यामधून आपल्याला बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी माहिती होत असतात. काहीच आपण जर त्याच्यामध्ये गेलो नाही तर आपल्याला बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी माहित होत नाही. सो मॅनेजमेंट कॅन लुकिंग टुवर्ड्स द प्लॅनिंग, टुवर्ड्स द पॉलिसीज, टुवर्ड्स द things which are to be better for the particular business organization, and then the success comes. Success is, it is a combination of all the efforts made by the people. Peoples are doing very well on their particular level. Marketing manager, sales manager, finance manager, each and every person looks towards his activities, and all are supported to each other. Purchase department, sales department, finance department, staffing department, training department, all are working in hand. By working hand in hand, they are not scattered, they are always keep their, we can say, opinion positively, and then the business organization becomes success. So that type of things are to be done by the management accounting. So managing people, now if there are 10 departments in the organization, 10 departments, so if one department is doing his work, another department is doing his work, all the departments are doing the work, but if there is no control on that department, then it is not better for the business. And that is why making uniform, making unit is the main object of the top managerial people. Management people, they are higher people, that is highest capable people. They are knowing each and everything from the ground level. When they become at the top, or they goes as the top, they can come from ground level, one by one step ahead. So such types of things are to be there in the management accounting. So the report is also made by the management accounting. Why this is happened, why the profit is so and so, why the net profit is like that. why the financial position is like that, why the assets stand so and so, what is the relation of that particular things to each other. So it is to be analyzed, it is to be considered in the management accounting. That's why in the simple language, management accounting is nothing but it is a accounting which can help for taking decision, proper planning, proper implementation, and proper reporting. And after reporting, some suggestions are given. Suggestions, what we can do now, if this is the position, then in future, we are not to be faced such types of problems, then we can make that type of, we can say, things which may not be happened in future. So this is the accounting which is involved, which can include the various types of activities functions at a time. Marketing function, production function, sales function, all the functions are to be, that is made together by the management accounting, and he can give the suggestion to the different peoples. If in the market department is doing his work, if other things are happened, there is a competition, there is a inflation, there is a deflation, demand is less, supply is more. At that time, the management accounting can give ideas to the people that what you can do now. आपण काही व्यक्तींना व्यवस्थापन करणाऱ्या व्यक्ती म्हणतो. व्यवस्थापक म्हणजे जो सगळ्या गोष्टींची व्यवस्थितपणे पूर्तता करत असतो, इम्प्लिमेंटेशन करत असतो. स्टाफ पाहिजे, स्टाफ नेमायचा, त्यांना ट्रेनिंग पाहिजे, ट्रेनिंग द्यायचं, त्यांचं प्रमोशन पाहिजे, प्रमोशन द्यायचं, त्यांचं फॅलिसिटेशन करायचं. एक काम करणारा व्यक्ती त्याला देखील काहीतरी प्रेरणा, प्रोत्साहन मिळालं पाहिजे. आपण जे काम केलं त्याचा गौरव झाला पाहिजे, त्याला काहीतरी रिवॉर्ड मिळालं पाहिजे, बक्षीस मिळालं पाहिजे. अशा प्रकारच्या सगळ्या गोष्टी या मॅनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग मध्ये केल्या जात असतात. So management accounting, as you know, that this is not that much new subject to you. In the 11th standard or 12th standard, you have studied the various types of organizations and their management. So management is nothing but it is one of the process which can give guidelines, which can give some ideas, and which can frame the policies, which can have some future plans, and accordingly the business can become the success. So success of any organization may depends on the management. If the management failures, the business failures. कुठल्याही गोष्टीचं जर मॅनेजमेंट चांगलं असेल तर सगळ्या गोष्टी व्यवस्थितपणे होतात. व्हॉट इज मॅनेजमेंट? मॅनेजमेंट इज नथिंग बट इट इज अ टेक्निक in which all the activities are to be comes very properly, completed very properly. तर असं हे मॅनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग आहे, ज्याच्यामध्ये प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट अमुक एवढा दाखवला, नेट प्रॉफिट एवढा दाखवला, बॅलन्स शीटच्या असेटला एवढी टोटल आहे, बॅलन्स शीटच्या लायबिलिटीला एवढ्या एवढ्या गोष्टी आहेत. तर ह्या प्रत्येकाचं अनालिसिस अँड इंटरप्रिटेशन करण्याचं काम हे मॅनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग कडून केलं जातं. सहज थोडंसं उदाहरण देतो. जर तुमचा नेट प्रॉफिट जास्त असेल, युअर वर्क इज व्हेरी वेल. तुम्ही जर लॉस मध्ये असाल, म्हणजे प्रॉफिट मध्ये नाहीच नाही, जर नेट लॉस तुम्हाला होत असेल तर निश्चितपणानं तुमच्या व्यवसायातलं मॅनेजमेंट हे चांगलं नाही. सो इफ द प्रॉफिट इज इन्क्रीज वन year after year, last year it is to be 10 lakhs, again in the next year it is 15 lakhs, again in the next year it is 20 lakhs, again it is next year 25 lakhs. So if the profit is increased year after year, then ultimately the management is doing his work very better. जर तुम्हाला एखाद्या वर्षी 10 लाख नफा झाला, त्याच्यानंतर तुम्ही 7 लाखावर आला, त्याच्यानंतर पुन्हा 5 लाखावर आला, त्याच्यानंतर पुन्हा 3 लाखावर आला, so such types of loss again that is increased, that means your efficiency is not properly measured. आणि म्हणून ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी मॅनेजमेंट अकाउंट करतं. प्रॉफिट वाढला पाहिजे, मग त्यासाठी काय करायचं? एक्सपेंडिचर्स कमी केले पाहिजेत. जर तुमचा प्रॉफिट कमी होत असेल तर तुमचा कुठेतरी खर्च वाढतोय. मग खर्च कमी करण्यासाठी काय करता येईल आणि उत्पन्न वाढण्यासाठी काय करता येईल. ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर टू बी टेकन इनटू अकाउंट बाय द मॅनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग. पुन्हा हे झालं ट्रेडिंग अकाउंटचं आणि प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट. बॅलन्स शीट मध्ये तुमचं शेअर कॅपिटल, बॅलन्स शीट मध्ये आपण काय दाखवतो, इक्विटी शेअर कॅपिटल, प्रिफरन्स शेअर कॅपिटल, लोन